In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the year view in Google Calendar with a full 2024 guide. Having your entire year laid out in front of you can be incredibly useful for planning. Whether you're working on personal goals, managing work projects, or organizing family commitments, seeing everything at a glance helps keep your schedule organized and manageable. So let's dive into how you can achieve that in Google Calendar. First off, let's get started by opening up your Google Calendar. You can do this by entering calendar.google.com into your web browser's address bar. This will bring you to your main calendar page where you're used to seeing your scheduled events. Now, if you're looking at the calendar and feeling a bit overwhelmed by just the daily or weekly view, don't worry, because targeting the year view is just a few clicks away. Once you've got your calendar open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see the View selector, which typically shows options like day, week, and month. This is the tool we'll use to make our change. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Year. This selection is pivotal because it transforms how you interact with your schedule, providing a bird's-eye view of all 365 days. When you select the year option, you'll instantly see the entire year in front of you. It's organized in a way that color codes each day based on how many events are scheduled. A variety of colors will indicate whether a day is busy or relatively free, which makes the year view particularly effective for quickly spotting periods of high activity or more laid-back times during the year. Now here's a handy feature that enhances this view. By simply hovering your mouse over any specific date, you can access a quick preview of events planned for that day. It's a highly efficient way to get information on what's lined up without needing to switch views or go deeper into the calendar details. But let's say you need more than just an overview and want to dive into the specifics of a particular day. Clicking on any day enables you to jump straight into the week view where you can peruse more detailed event listings. This flexibility allows you to toggle between a high-level annual overview and a detailed weekly breakdown, giving you control over how you plan and review your schedule. And that's a wrap on how to navigate to the year view within Google Calendar. With this new perspective, you can now plan your year efficiently, making sure you never miss a beat when it comes to achieving your goals or setting new ones. Happy planning!